Yeah, hi everyone. Now we are going to see a use case of a shell script and Python, how to include a Python script into the shell script and how to apply the cron job for that uh, shell script file. Okay, see, I'll show you two use cases in this session. Okay, how to install required packages by using shell scripting automatically and how to run the cron job for the .sh files. Okay, and how to send the email notification alerts by using Python and shell script plus cron job. Means after including the Python file into the shell script and for that shell script we are going to write the cron job. Okay, I will show you some basic level and to advanced. Okay, how to call the Python file and how to Python file or Python script or running the program Python program into the shell script. Okay, I will cover all these four questions and the first use case will be based upon the database. Okay, in daily activities, they need to update the status of the table record. Okay, by using automation. In our case, we are doing it from by using the shell script. They may use different technologies and different scripting terminology. Okay, and here the same what I mentioned above is sending alerts to users by using Python, shell script, and cron job. Okay, these are the basic queries while creating the database scenario. Okay, let me dive into this terminal. Okay, see, so first we need to install the database. Okay, for that, uh, you can go for installing. You install MySQL. Okay, -y, and you can also start by using service MySQL start. Okay, and after that, for the first time, you will not have the password. Okay, how will you connect? By using this command mysql. Okay, hyphen u root hyphen p. There is no password. It will ask enter the password, but there is no password. Simply hit enter. Okay, and then it will connect to the mysql database section, and here you need to create a database. For the first time, we need to create a database. Okay, and after that we need to go to our database. If you hit the show databases, it will shows all kind of databases available from there, and you can use what database you need. Okay, and if you need to see the tables in the database, you can simply hit the show tables command. Okay, and you can write your own queries and based upon your requirement. Okay, first we need to do these steps in the terminal section. So I already installed MySQL. Let me check it. It is running or not. Service MySQL T status. See, it is in inactive mode. Let me zoom it. Yes, it is in inactive mode. We need to activate it. So how will activate? Service MySQLD. Instead of status, we need to pass the command like start. Okay, start. So if it is not installed, you can simply run this command sudo yum install mysql -y. -y includes all the packages included in the mysql part. Okay, so I have started the database section. Let me check the status. See, it is now running mode. It is in now running mode. So we are done the installation and starting the database. We have done 2 steps, but now we need to connect to the database. This is the command where we can connect to the database. See, first I am clearing the screen. MySQL -u root. Okay. You can create users from your end, and you can try to log in you based upon the users username and password. Here, for demo version, I am just showing the root. Okay, the basic terminals. Okay, MySQL -u root and -p is nothing but password. Hit enter. See, it is asking password. As I said, for the first time you will not have the any password, so hit enter. See, I have already generated the password for MySQL, so it is asking me to enter the password. Otherwise it is showing access denied. See, hit enter root. Okay, now I entered the password and hit enter. It is connected to the database. See, I have created the password, so it is able to enter the password. For your end, if you have the password, you can enter the password or simply hit enter. Then it will appears like this. Okay, now see, show databases. See, I have created the in past. I have created the test database. Remaining all are the system defined databases. MySQL system has defined their own databases schemas. Okay, so the command is show databases. From the terminal mode, we need to see, if you need to see the databases, we need to run the show databases. Then it will display the list of the databases available that MySQL installation part. So now I am creating one new database. Create database and database name. Database name, I'll just go for demo. Okay. See, now it is showing one row affected, means demo database has been created. Let me check by using show databases. See, demo database has been created. So I'm just using that database. Okay, you means here you have number of databases. You can use anything, any kind of databases. So here, if I need to go to test database, you can simply use the command like use database name as a test. If you need to work on demo database part, you can simply hit use space demo. Then it will show us the database has been changed. Okay, so perfect. Up to now, we have created the database and we have installed the database part from the Linux machine, and we have started the services, and we have created the MySQL database, and I am just going for creating a table from the CLI. For that, if you don't know about that, just go for the document. See, this is the syntax. Okay, create table name, and means variables with their data types. This is the command. So just copy it, go back to there, paste it. Okay, in some terminals it will won't takes the paste command. Here it is taking for me, so just pasted it. So now I am trying to create a table as registration with the name fields as name, email, and status. Okay, let me create this empty table. See, now one table has been created. As I said, to see the tables from the CLI mode or terminal mode, you can simply hit show instead of show databases, you can use show tables. See, one registration table has been created. So there is no data. If you see disk registration, it will shows the how many variables are available in this table, and data types, and the means a null type or not null or foreign key, primary key. Okay, see here I'm just using for understanding purpose as a disk registration as the table name, disk space table name. Then it will shows the fields available in the table. So now the table is empty. Suppose if you need to see the content in the table, then you need to write the select query, right? Select star from registration. See, table has no data, so it is showing 0 records, empty set. Now I am trying to enter few values into the table. Let me type it. Insert into table. What is the table? Registration. Registration and values. We need to give. It's an optional thing. We can also pass the variable names, or we can directly dive into the values. So this is a small table. So I think above we have seen the names of the tables, record variables of the table. So I'm just using here values. I'm just inserting the values. Name as my name and email as my email. Status as 0. Okay. And we need to close the braces and we need to end with semicolon. Okay, hit enter. See, now we have entered successfully one record into our table. Let me select, use the select query to see the data. See, Arun and email and the status as 0. So, as I said, we have a use case to update the status 0 to 1 on the daily basis. Okay. By automation, it may be some excuse. It may be using some different types of terminologies, as I mentioned earlier. Here I am just using the shell script. Okay. For that, I'm just closing this database by using exit command. Clear the screen. So now we have on database name as demo. Let me type here. Database name as demo. Okay, and table name as registration. So this is fine, but how do we automate? In shell scripting, we can directly pass only one line of syntax so that it will automate by running the shell script. Okay, for that, my SQL, the syntax is MySQL, sorry, -u root -t password. Okay, and -d. D means database. Database name as demo. Okay, and query. What type of query you need to pass? This is the syntax. Okay, by using this only one line of syntax, you can easily update the status of the table, and you just need to pass this syntax into shell script. Okay, and you need to run the shell script and you need to run that query as a cron job. Okay, so first I will show you a small demo for the shell script file. I will just create one shell script file with let me give like demo. Okay, demo.sh. In that, I'm just trying to print or what do we say? I'm just stopping the MySQL database by using service mysqld stop. I'm just stopping the database and I will just run that query as a cron job. Okay, I'll just run this file as the cron job. See, by we have created one demo.sh file. On that, we just passing the one command. What is that? We have already installed MySQL here. See, if you type MySQL D status, it will shows the running. Why? Because we have just started and it is in active mode. I'm just for your understanding, I'm just simply passing the stop command and I'm just running this sh file. Then it will take to the stop mode. Then if you run the status command after running this file, it will show the inactive mode. So first we will do that, and after that we will update the this syntax to this shell script. Okay. I'm creating one sample. See, now there is no files under this directory. So now I'm just creating one empty demo.sh. Okay, in that, as I said, just we need to press I in the keyboard, then only it will activate the editor. Okay, so now I'm just passing the command like sudo service mysqld stop. Okay, and for saving this file, press escape, shift colon WQ exclamation mark, right and point. So now see, after creating a file, if you hit LL, it will show with the permissions. See, for this demo.sh, it won't have the execution permissions. But you have written one stop command to database on this file. You are trying to run this file. You can simply use bash or sh or dot. Anything you can use to run the file demo.sh. Here I am just trying to dot slash demo.sh to run the file. See, permission denied means this demo.sh file doesn't have the execution permission. So now we need to change the permission. Chmod plus, you can give user and group mode or whatever. I'm just giving execution permission for that file here. See, now if you hit LL, it will show us the green color. Why? Because it has full access. Means, see here, execution permission. Here it is not showing execution permission. So it is showing permission denied. Here it is showing green color means X position means it has the execution permission. So now you can run, see, sh demo.sh. See, it will stop the MySQL database. If you check it, service MySQL status, see, it is inactive. So what I'm doing is, see, instead of stop, here I am putting the start command. Okay, go to the file vi demo.sh. See, go to press I, go to end of the command, start, press escape, save it. Okay, now run the same file, it will start, but I need to automate it. I don't want to type manually. Okay, for that we need to write the cron job. See, in Linux machine it will be installed by default cron jobs. No worries about that. If it is not installed, you need to install like you install cron, and you need to start the service this same syntax. Okay, instead of MySQL, you need to write a cron job. And if you're not available in your system, you need to install the cron machine timing queries. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to cron tab -e. Okay, first you need to check it. Hit enter, it will show empty screen. Okay. It may varies from version to version and different kinds of Linux platforms. Okay, it may not shows you to differently. You can face differently. Why? Because I am running Oracle Linux 8 mission. You may run some other missions, but it will shows the same, but some different terminology will be there. The commands are same, but the different terminology and files will be same. Will be there. Okay. See, after pressing, I'll make a note. Cron tab -e first tab, and you need to write the time intervals. Means, see, I will show you one document. See, this is the syntax for writing the cron job. Okay, first minutes, hours, day of the month, and day of the week. Means 5 stars. If you give stars, completely stars, it will go and check minute to minute. Okay. If you need to pass the time interval, you can pass. I will show you the examples of. Say like this. Okay. Like this, you can pass the commands. Okay. So for our demo purpose, see, I am just giving stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you need to pass the file exact location. I know my file location, so I am directly typing the file location. If you don't know, while coming into the cron tab -e, better to take the current position of your current file location, pwd, present working directory. From there you can copy the address and you can paste it here. Okay, see, under this folder I have demo.sh file, right? Demo.sh, sorry. So as I said, it will check if I run this query, means if I run this cron job, it will go and start the MySQL start services. Why? Because we return only that command on that file. Let us check. Okay, first escape, save, :q. So we have written how we can check the cron jobs are running or not. Cron tab space -l. See, it is running. Okay. You may ask me how you are saying like this job is running. Okay. Means we have written, see, ll demo.sh. If you see the cat demo.sh, this is the only command we have given. Okay, we have given here starting the MySQL services. So you can check it manually, service, whether it is working or not. Means the services has been started or not. Service MySQL start, sorry, status. We have started, we have passed the start command to the demo.sh. See, here the status has become like active, means in the running mode. It is in running mode, right? So like this, you can pass the cron jobs. Okay, you can go and check it now. See, suppose I'm going to stop the services manually. MySQL stop. See, after stopping the command, the services, you can check the status whether the services has stopped or not. It is stopped, right? See, the time interval now it is showing 9:24, right? Just wait a second, means up to 1 minute. It will update with the running syntax. Okay, status as MySQL status as running. Okay, so let me wait for 1 minute. So instead of writing start and stop actions in this SSH file, we can write the same query what we have discussed. What is our use case? I need to update the status one of the table in the database on daily basis. For that, I am using the shell scripting for automating the status particular table without user interruption. Means user has written only one time and he is trying to update the status the 0 to 1 on daily basis. Okay, it may be very it may be depends upon their requirement why the status is going to update by their end. Okay, see, I think time interval has taken completed. Let me check the status again. See, automatically the status has become to active mode. Like this, we can run the cron jobs. Means the cron job is working fine, but this is not our query. This is not our requirement. So go back to the demo.sh, remove this. As I said, so we need to press I in the keyboard and type writing the command mysql -u. See, I am not passing this command if different users may use this file. See, let me check mysql -u root -p. Okay, root and hyphen d database name. Demo is the database name and -e query. Here we need to write query. I'm just writing the query. Select query. Okay, and colon. Let me save it and clear it. See, I have updated. See, if you run it manually, it will work. Why? Because now the status will be need to update on the table, right? If you, I think you may confuse mysql -u root -p root. I am directly using my database demo. See here, I am just writing the select star from registration and see the status here is 0. I need to update it by running the sh file, means shell script file, or I need to automate it 0 to 1. Okay, for that I have to write the query, but I have written there. Sorry, I need to exit from there. ll cat demo to see the content in the file. See here, I just use the select query. So the select query will not update, right? So I need to update, right? Update the status. So for that, we need to run the command. We need to update the status. Say update table name set column equals to value where condition. Okay. So go back to here. Go back to vi demo.sh. Press I in the keyboard. Go back to the query. Here we need to update the status. See update table name, registration, and the column name, or set column name. Column name, what is the column name? Status. Status equals to 1 where we need to write the condition. Just a minute, I will hide this meeting floating points. See here where condition. Condition means status equals to 0. Okay, now it will go and space intentions will be catched by the script. So I'm just removing the space intentions. Update registration set status equals to 1 where status equals to 0, right? I need to automate. So for that, save it. So we already written the cron cron job, right? For this file, you can check it by using cron tab space -l. Hit enter. It is running already. As I said, wait for a minute and go back to check the status of the table has been updated or not by going to the database. Okay. Let me go to the database. MySQL u -p root. Okay. See, I am directly going to database demo. Select star from registration. See, the status has been updated to 1. Earlier, it is only 0. Like this, we can automate the use cases. Different use cases will be there, and we can simply automate the installation part or automating or starting the servers or stopping the server, sending the alerts to users. Okay, various. It depends upon the requirement. Okay, so like this, we can run the shell script jobs. Okay. See, suppose how, as I said, how do we create, how do we run the Python file? Let me create one Python file. See, vi, I'm just giving test.py. Okay, press I, print hello world. Save it and create the test.sh2. Okay, press I, hash include, sorry, exclamation bin bash. Okay, here you need to include your Python file. Python file name test.py. Okay, here see, let me save it. Now I need to, as I said, we need to give the authorization or execution permissions to this file. Okay, chmod plus execution role for test.py, sorry, sh, test.sh. See, if you hit LL, it will change the permissions. See, I am just running this file. See, it is showing could not find. Means in my Linux version, Python is not working. Python 3 is working. Let me edit that one. See, you can check the versions. Python -- version. See, it is not showing the version. It is showing version with Python 3. So I am comfort with Python 3 to run the file. So here you have to mention Python 3 instead of Python. Save it. And now you need to run the job, cron job. Cron tab -e. Go to the end of the file, press I in the keyboard and give the 5 stars. And you, as I mentioned, for the demo purpose, I'm not passing the demo here timing interval. You can pass your own timing interval based upon your queries. Here my file name is test.sh. But it will run. It will run. But where it will go and what I say, where it will go and print the hello world text. So for that, I'm just showing you how you cannot estimate, you cannot get estimation, right? Means where it is going to run all those things. So I'm just showing you test.sh. See, it will printing fine, working fine. So I will open that file, test.sh. See here, I'm just press I in the keyboard. Before and after, I will do one change here. Touch vi, sorry, touch. I'm just creating one file f1, f2 before compiling or execution. After that, I'm executing 3, 4. Okay. So it will confuse here. So I'm just making it as one, and we need to give the path also. Where, sorry, exact path where you need to create the file. So I'm just giving my current path. So here I am just giving F2. Okay. Here I am removing the same, and I am just giving the home and F1. Okay. Let me save it. See, if the file, if this cron job is not running, these two files also will not create. If it is running, these two files also will go and create here. Okay. Hit enter. See, as I said, the cron job is running, but it has not moved to next level. Means another minute. Okay, let me wait for a minute. Yeah, see here it is created F1, F2. So the file has been created, and the print statement also will go and print somewhere. Okay, so you can work like this. See, I will show you say how to send email alerts to users from Python code. So for that, I'm just showing you in the local where it is. Just a minute, I'm opening the path. Where it is. Not this one. Just a minute. See, here it is. Email. Yes. See, this is the email. Just wait. I'll clear this. See, if I run this, see, this is the see Gmail username and password, and I am sending mail to this email. This is just giving a test mail and welcome mail, and this is the code to send the email. So I'm just running, sorry, Python test email.py. See, it will print email sent successful, this message. Okay, let me check it by going to the mail. See, this is manually we are trying to running the file, where we are not doing these activities by daily. To number of users will be there, and we need to schedule the alerts for different kind of criteria requirements will be there. So for this we need to automate this thing. So I'm just deleting, and I'm just going back to my, I'm just copying this code, copy, go to the Linux vi s email.py. Okay, and press I, paste it. Okay, and press escape, save it. Now we have the Python file. I need to create the shell script file. For that, email.py file. So I'm just creating email s email.sh. Press I and bin bash, and as I said, sudo python 3 and path of the file name home, and what is the file name? yes email.py. Okay, press escape, save it. So for, as I said, after creating the sh file, we need to set the execution permission for that sh file. Chmod plus x means execution role. Yes, email.sh. So clear ll, and now you need to run the cron job. Cron tab -e. Go to the last, press I, and star for give 5 stars and path of the file. Test, sorry, yes, email.sh. Okay, save it. Now cron tab of the email also working fine. See, we need to wait 1 more minute. Then the email will be sent to the this email. See, already received. See, 9:41 exactly now. If I delete this, let me wait for 1 more minute and check it. We'll check it on 9:42. Okay. See, as I said, in this session, we have learned about how to install the required packages. Required packages means, in my case, I'm just using starting the database. So I just pass one script to start the database, like service, mysqld, status, or stop, or start. You can give n number of commands here, and you can start the services. And here, how to schedule a shell script file job. We are scheduling the jobs, right? So and how to send email notification alerts by using Python, shell script, and cron job. Okay, and this is how we can call the Python files in the shell script scripting part. See, I already shown you one use case regarding the database part. We need how to update the status of the table, okay, on the daily basis by automate using the shell scripting. And the last one is sending email alerts to the users using Python shell script on them. Okay. See, now the time is 9:40, means I think it will receive. See, it will get continuously after a minute to minute. If you leave it as is, okay, let me wait for 1 more minute. If I refresh the console Gmail, see, it will get, let me wait for 1 more minute. Then it will get the new email. See, now it is showing 82. Let me wait. So this is the use general use cases. People are facing issues, and how to they are getting confused to run the jobs on this Linux part. If you have any queries, please comment out here, or reach me on my WhatsApp. I'm just typing the number. Ping me on the WhatsApp. Okay, and I'm sharing my email. If you have any queries, or if you have any if you need any support, just reach me. I'll do it. Okay, see, now the email has been updated continuously. As I said, up to, see, it will means a cron tab will get, we have written the cron expression as for every minute. So it will go and check minute to minute, and it will getting the email alerts here. Okay, so this is how we'll run the shell script files on the Python and cron jobs on the Linux machine. If you have any queries, reach me out, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.